Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Berry King Waterproofing. We're here at stand 395 in Serengeti Golf Estate. New development. They've decided to go with Berry King's range of products to get the house 100% waterproofed. In the beginning, before it lands up causing a problem at the end, so that the client's home can be surely secured from moisture ingress. So stay tuned for the next phases of the project, and we'll chat soon. Bye for now. Bye. So how's it, Martin?
How's it? What to think about?
Okay, good morning to the Berry King followers. Welcome to stand 395. We're at the process of applying primer and fabric. I will show you a couple of videos just to see exactly what the process is all about. It's a lot more involved than just applying straightforward torch-on waterproofing. It's more, what's the word I'm looking for, precise and meticulous to detail and to weak areas around slab roofs. This is the process of applying King Tac 2 primer and fabric to the surface. We're still busy now with the 90 degrees going around, and we are also busy with the upstands on the parapet, applying a transparent membrane through this entire area of upstands around the slab.